What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and today we're doing a quick market recap on the S&P 500. It's Monday, and today we are confirming the breakout of this tight little consolidative state. If you've watched the last few videos that we've been posting, I have been mentioning that price action had been stuck in this little range, and based on the shift in momentum on the MACD histogram, I was suspecting that it was going to be a breakout of this little range over here at the 2745 level. So 2745 was broken out of, and you can see that it pushed through on Friday, had a fantastic day on Friday, and today being Monday, first trading session of the week, we confirmed that move. We also took out trendline resistance and are now approaching horizontal resistance of 2790. This, to me, is a bit of an epic short-term checkpoint in the sense that if we can finally get past this resistance, we will be breaking out of a range it has been holding for quite some time, actually back until March. So if you look at right through here, we've got some structured resistance up through here, again right through early June, and we are approaching it. Now the big question is, are we going to be able to punch through the S&P 2790 level and stay bullish and move up to the previous high? Or are we going to run into 2790, turn around, and have essentially a quadruple top where momentum will then turn around and move to the bottom? I am going to say that the former is the most likely. I suspect that S&P 2790 is going to be taken out probably tomorrow. I say that right through here. You can see over the last number of sessions that we have had this nice bullish flag that gapped up and continued up today. This is the S&P. I can actually go over to the SPX just to keep everything consistent. But what you're looking at right through here is that we're getting through that trend line resistance right through here that I've got marked down right through here. And we are breaking out of that level, and we are still seeing some momentum, renewed momentum, moving to the upside. So I suspect that this level of 2790 will get broken out and will move to the upside. The momentum is just getting going, and so all we really need to do is have the bulls come in and bid up every S&P 500 stock that they like. Hopefully it's the Apples, the Facebook, and the Microsofts of the index to push price action higher. There are a number of opportunities that we're looking at, including today the SPY breakout trade, which we were doing with options. It was a very, very nice trade, and that's something we'll be talking about in our Ask a Trader webinar coming up tomorrow. If you want to get involved, by all means, please do. There's actually a link in the description box below where you can actually sign up for free and take part in Ask a Trader, which we host on both Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's the J. Lewis Trading community. It's sort of our meetup time. We do it twice a week. And if you want to get involved and listen to a more in-depth breakdown of the markets and opportunities that we're looking at and trades that we've actually been taking over the last few days, feel free to join us. Again, there's a link in the description box below. Just click it, sign up. There's absolutely zero cost to do so, and I will personally email you an invite to our webinar tomorrow and Thursday and every other Tuesday and Thursday moving forward. If you have any questions about the S&P 500 and what we think it's going to be doing, or any of the other stocks that you may have been watching throughout our video library here on YouTube, please feel free to email me. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somebody out there that you feel would find this video of value, please do not hesitate to share this video.